So I've been seeing this on the internet, and they've been making DaVinci Resolve look like it's an easy stuff to do. DaVinci Resolve is complicated. Just looking at the interface is like doing further math or doing like physics. It's very crazy and it's very. But if you decide to learn though, it's actually going to be fun. But I feel like if you're going to start learning how to video edit, you should try starting with something like Final Cut Pro or CapCut. At least those will teach you the essence of how to cut videos, join videos, mix videos, and other stuff. Those will teach you the basics of video editing. Then you can now graduate to DaVinci Resolve. DaVinci Resolve is not something you can just jump into straight up. You might get confused. You might just lose the passion, and the passion might just die. Let's say you have passion for video editing and you decided to just jump into DaVinci Resolve. Just looking at the interface and trying to understand what DaVinci Resolve is all about, what fusion, the color grading aspect, the music aspect, all of those. Sometimes it might end up it might confuse you too much that it might just say fuck it and give up on what you are doing. So if you're into video editing or you want to enter video editing, want to learn how to start video editing, I advise you to start with CapCut or Final Cut Pro. This will teach you how to cut videos, merge videos, transition, other stuff. Then from then you can now graduate into DaVinci Resolve. So I advise you start from a smaller software like CapCut and Final Cut Pro, then jump to DaVinci Resolve or Premiere Pro if you wish to. So that's all about I want to say though. So see you guys in the next video. Bye.